Imagine a robot. Let's call him Bolt. Bolt needs energy. Just like Bolt, businesses need customers to thrive and grow. He finds an energy station. This station is like a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a strategic process that guides potential customers through a journey. It guides Bolt to get the energy he needs. Similarly, a sales funnel guides your customer to make a purchase. It's a step-by-step path designed to convert prospects into buyers. It starts with awareness and ends with a purchase. The stages include awareness, consideration, and finally, the decision or purchase stage. Landing pages are like the stations within the funnel. They play a crucial role in moving the customer from one stage to the next. Think of a landing page as a dedicated web page. It's specifically designed to capture the visitor's information or prompt them to take a specific action. It's designed with one goal: convert visitors into leads or customers. This is achieved through compelling content, clear calls to action, and an easy-to-navigate layout. Each stage of the funnel needs a specific landing page. These pages are tailored to address the needs and concerns of the customer at that particular stage. This helps move your customer to the next step. By guiding them through the funnel, you increase the chances of converting them into loyal customers. Without a funnel, Bolt might wander around, wasting energy. He might not even find the energy he needs. The same goes for your business. Without a sales funnel, you're losing potential customers. Your marketing efforts are less effective. It's harder to track results and improve. Sales funnels provide structure and clarity. They guide your customers toward a purchase. Meet GSA and HighLevel, your robotic assistants for building powerful sales funnels and landing pages. GSA is a powerful tool for automating your SEO and website ranking. Think of it as the architect of your online presence. HighLevel is your landing page builder and CRM. It's like the interior designer, making sure everything looks good and functions smoothly. Together, they create a seamless system for attracting and converting customers. Section 4. Building your sales funnel with GSA. So GSA helps you build a strong foundation for your funnel. First, keyword research. This is the cornerstone of any successful sales funnel. By identifying the right keywords, you can ensure that your content reaches the right audience. GSA's advanced algorithms make this process seamless and efficient. GSA helps you find the right keywords. These keywords are crucial because they determine how easily your potential customers can find you online. With GSA, you can uncover high-traffic keywords that are relevant to your niche. These keywords attract your target audience. Next, link building. Link building is essential for improving your website's authority and search engine ranking. GSA simplifies this by automating the process, ensuring you get high-quality backlinks from reputable sources. GSA automates the process of getting high-quality backlinks. This not only saves you time, but also enhances your website's credibility. High-quality backlinks are a signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. This boosts your website's ranking in search results. And finally, traffic generation. By improving your ranking, GSA drives more traffic to your landing pages. More traffic means more opportunities to convert visitors into customers. By improving your ranking, GSA drives more traffic to your landing pages. This increased traffic is targeted, meaning these visitors are more likely to be interested in your products or services. More traffic means more potential customers entering your funnel. With GSA, you can efficiently manage and optimize your sales funnel, ensuring a steady flow of potential customers and ultimately higher conversion rates. Section 5. Crafting landing pages with HighLevel. In this section, we will explore how to create effective landing pages using HighLevel, a powerful tool designed to help you maximize conversions and streamline your marketing efforts. HighLevel helps you create landing pages that convert. First, the drag and drop builder. This intuitive tool allows you to effortlessly design your pages by simply dragging and dropping elements into place. No coding skills are required, making it accessible for everyone. You can easily create beautiful landing pages without coding. Then, templates. HighLevel offers a wide variety of professionally designed templates that you can customize to fit your brand's unique style and message. Choose from pre-designed templates to save time and effort. These templates are crafted to be visually appealing and conversion-focused. ensuring that your landing pages not only look great but also perform well. And lastly, lead management. Capture leads and manage them within the HighLevel CRM. This integrated system allows you to track and nurture your leads effectively, turning potential customers into loyal clients. By combining GSA's traffic-driving capabilities with HighLevel's conversion-focused landing pages, you create a powerful system for business growth. This synergy ensures that you not only attract visitors but also convert them into valuable leads and customers, driving your business forward.